Hey guys, what's up? Another video. Today, we're gonna be going and doing a goop mech building thing. Basically, me, Lemon King,
Hello!
and this other guy named Infected Official. We're gonna all go and build mechs, and then we're gonna have a huge mech battle. So, let's get right into it! Yeah!
I think I just woke up my parents, bro. Oh my god!
Okay, let's go over to stage 5. Yeah, guys, we're going to stage 5, and I'm sorry I couldn't, post videos. Hold up, before you watch this video, I have a Discord, so if you want to join my Discord and have, like, permission to go into one of my... If you want to have permission to get into one of my videos, well, you don't have to have permission, it's for my fans on my fan code, LLOG. But if you want to join one of my videos or have some planning on when I'm going to do some videos, make sure to join my Discord server, and I'll have a link down below so you guys can join. Anyway, back to the video. We were on vacation for a while, so I decided I need a break, and I didn't post for a little bit. Also, if you guys are ever wondering, oh, is he thinking of? Oh, is Spencer ever gonna go and apply
You
for
controller to make
what's it called? What's it called? A content creator? Well, yes, I did, and I hope I get accepted. Anyways, sorry. I'm gonna burn you alive!
Burn you alive!
Alright, is the timer started?
Oh yeah, I got start a timer. Here, I'll start a timer. Here, I'm gonna go on browser. And so we're gonna have 10 minutes to build our mechs.
Dude, it's stuck on there. Like,
What are you guys doing?
There's a remote thing stuck onto you.
10.
I actually don't have anything in the construction thing unlocked except for
10.
2 things.
Okay, Caleb, you'll have to buy stuff for him.
I got
3. The timer starts at 3, 2, 1, go.
Alright. I'm gonna do.
Oh, I forgot, since I'm on quest 2, they have that. Who put a controller on my grapple?
Me.
Okay, boys. So we're gonna be going and making our mech. Now I'm gonna start with our main body. So we're just gonna do a normal body. That's my one hand. And that's my other. Yo, guys, check this out real quick.
Do you like mine? Minutes already.
Yeah. No.
I call this the lemon mech. Wait, buy me Opus. I got this. Wait, stay still. Wait, can you buy me Opus? Can you buy me Opus? We're not battling it. Where did you go?
Ooh, I feel like there's something else I gotta add.
I got this. freak out of here. We're not ready yet.
Oh, yeah, what's
Can
up?
you buy me a box van?
Yeah, sure, bro. Check out my mechs so far. Those are my 2 arms. I gotta.
Alrighty.
There.
Why did you just...
I need a nade launcher.
Whee! Caleb! Oh crap. Wait, hold on. I need back my...
Now I need some grenades.
Bye-bye.
Oh, that was close.
My other...
Do you know where my other Hulkman?
I don't see it. Wait, I see something over here. I see an arm. Wait. Let me check our timer. It wasn't counting, so I'd just say probably like 1 minute. Okay, minute left.
Sorry, bro, sorry. No.
Nope. Bro, I don't want this snowboard anymore. And instead, I'm gonna get 1 more box fan. I think I need 1 more box fan.
Dude, everything broke. Everything broke.
Yo! Guess what time it is?
Is the timer up?
Yeah.
Oh crap.
Everything broke. Everything broke.
Everybody get to an area in stage 5. Get to a different area.
Everything broke.
Oh, if your whole mech's broke, you can just be ref, I guess. You said your mech is broke?
Yeah, my mech broke.
Okay, so just be ref. Just be ref.
Alright. Are you ready for the mech war?
He's just gonna be ref because he...
But dude, do you like my design? I got those googly eyes.
Yeah, do you like mine? Also, your
Oh
Google
yeah.
guys don't exist
I like
anymore.
I like how you made the curves. That's really
Yeah,
cool.
I can still win, trust. I can
No,
still win.
no, you're ref because your mech disappeared.
I will kill you.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, stay over there. You're ref. So go to the other side.
The next battle will commence in 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, holy, oh my God! Oh my God! You can fly. Okay.
Oh, weave.
That's not really fair because I couldn't make anything fly. Get down here!
Damn.
Fight me like a man!
Nope.
That's what I thought!
Oh crap. Wait. Oh no.
You're all out of ammo!
Exactly. Yes, I am.
I'm just gonna put. Oh.
What's this? A random revolver ammo found right on.
Get down here! Where Caleb can fight. Some revolver ammo fell right. Does he take the risk?
Dude, you can't do that. You can't do that.
How much health you at?
I'm halfway. What? Where the frick are you?
I'm not even at half health. I still have a plentiful of health.
Well, you can't just camp up there the whole time.
Okay, fine. We'll do ground battle. But give me a sec. Hey, let me get to the ground first. Okay. So this is how it's gonna work. I'm gonna pop.
Get over here. You only punched my butt!
Bro, are you out of ammo as well?
Where are you? I have a limited
You.
I have limited sight. I thought we were doing ground battles.
Well, because you yeeted me
Wait,
up,
turn off
I have an umbrella.
Turn off your like umbrella, so you don't glide.
Wait.
Grab your backpack and like open it. So
Wait.
dude, you can't reload.
Wait. Let's reload real quick. real quick. No. You reload your rocket launcher.
Reload your.
Yeah. Reload real quick because it's.
But no flying, all right? Because you can just fly past.
Okay, yeah. I'll turn off my flying.
Dude, where did my build go? Dude! Miles!
It just went over here, buddy.
Oh, it's over there.
I'll just spawn in new ones.
It literally just went over here.
How's the pad not clear? Get this out. Ow. Dude, I'm not even ready.
I got you this. I got you this back, so you didn't have to waste your money.
Ready?
3, 2, 1. Round 2. Oh. So you lost.
You just freaking spammed me. Like, completely spammed.
Bippity boppity boo!
So, I couldn't have any time to start.
Well, there's no rule against it.
I don't like
The one drawback to my mech is that he's so incredibly slow without his umbrella that like it takes years to cross.
This isn't even loaded. And this one's like only halfway.
Oh crap! I'm out of ammo. How much?
Alright, so I died once. We're doing 3 rounds, right?
Yeah. First to 3 or best out of 3?
no reloading this round.
If Ethan kills you one more time, Caleb, then
He's winning.
it's over.
This town ain't big enough for the 2 of us.
Man.
You're dying, buddy.
How much health are you at?
Oh, like I still have 3/4.
He's probably like 1.5 kills.
Yeah.
No, I am 3/4 seriously.
I'm at full health.
This town ain't big enough for the 2 of us.
But you are not empty. Oh.
Dude, my mech is so slow.
Mine is too.
Dude, it's like bubbles.
Are you actually getting any damage done? Actually, like
No.
How much health left?
like more than half.
More than half? Then come here, boss.
It's like an old electric like grandpa walker.
Dude, get down here.
No.
Here.
Oh man, can I just please activate my umbrella? Oh.
I got red blood.
Yeah, because when you attack somebody, you get red blocks. No, you didn't.
There we go. Yeah.
Okay, now we have one more round because it's a tie technically.
The last round.
No, wait.
Hey, get away from his build.
What? Who's here?
Wait, yeah, give me a sec.
I'm the rest potato chip.
I'm just
I'm not letting you.
This town isn't big enough for the 2 of us.
Yeah, no, you know what? I don't want to do one more round, so
Tie.
tie. Yeah. Or wait, no, that's lame. So instead of doing that, we're gonna just do like a draw. We're gonna do Deadman's draw, and whoever loses
Yeah,
is the loser.
that was what I was gonna do. We're gonna do 1 round of Dead Man's Straw and kill him. So we're
We're gonna do one round of Deadman's draw to see who won. So take off your mech suit. Take off your mech suit.
You go first.
Okay. Woo!
Okay.
Yeah!
I got my first one.
I win!
Ethan is the champion of the mechs.
Good game, bro. Good game. Good game.
Good game.
Yeah.
I'm gonna.
6 hours later.
Okay, guys. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, make sure to like the video. And if
Subscribe to that guy.
and if you want to see more of my videos, make sure to subscribe. Subscribing helps a lot because we're about to get to 200 subscribers. And when I get to 200 subscribers, I'm gonna be going live for like the first time ever on Animal Company. Because when you what happened to our camera mod? What happened to the camera mod, real quick?
Oh crap.
Oh, you just have to go to settings
And
and then
and
show
then
camera. Yeah.
There is a feature. I'm probably gonna do it on UG instead. Yeah, get out of here. Where I do like a live stream with all my fans. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. Yeah, like I said, like the video if you like the video. Subscribe if you want to see more of my content. And see ya.
if